Hello, friends. Welcome to today's fun project using WordPad. We are going to create a special document titled My Fun WordPad Project. In this project, you'll write a short story or paragraph, and I'll show you how to make it look amazing using different font styles, sizes, colors, and other cool features in WordPad. Let's get started. Opening WordPad. First, we need to open WordPad. Click on the Start button, type WordPad in the search bar, and click on it to open. Once it's open, we're ready to create our project. Writing the title and story, let's start by typing the title, My Fun WordPad Project. Once you've written the title, write a short story or paragraph about anything fun you've done recently, maybe a trip to the park or a fun game you played. Changing font style, size, and color. Now that we have our story written, it's time to make it look awesome. To make your story look exciting, let's change the font style. Highlight your text, then look at the toolbar at the top. You'll see different font options like Arial, Times New Roman, and many more. Choose your favorite. Next, let's change the font size to make it bigger or smaller. Click on the size drop-down and pick a size you like. Bigger for titles and smaller for regular text. And now for the fun part, changing colors. Highlight your text again, click on the font color button, and choose any color you love. You can make your title bright and bold with different colors. Using bold, italic, and underline, let's make some words stand out by using bold, italic, and underline. Highlight the words you want to change, then click on the B button to make them bold, I for italic, or U to underline. You can make your title bold, underline your name, or italicize the fun parts of your story. Aligning the text. Now, let's make sure everything looks neat by using the text alignment options. Click on your title and choose the center alignment to place it right in the middle of the page. For the rest of your story, you can choose left alignment to keep everything nice and tidy on the left side, saving the document. Great job! Now that your project looks fantastic, it's time to save your work. Click on the File menu in the top corner, then choose Save. Give your project a name like My Fun WordPad Project and click Save. Now your project is safe and ready to be shared. Conclusion: congratulations! You've created and formatted your very own WordPad project. You learned how to change the font style, size, color, use bold, italic, and underline, and even align your text. Now it's time to submit your awesome project. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Keep exploring WordPad and having fun with your projects. See you next time.